Very good morning, beta. Yes. So today we will go through with the video as well. Fine. Before going through with the videos, we will have a discussion about the chapter. What you people really understood about the chapter. Manan he has gone through it very well. It is a good sign of improvement. Okay. Now who want to speak right now about the chapter? Give a summary, brief summary about the chapter. Like you have gone through with the 3 hours movie. Okay. And you came back and you are telling to your mother about the movie. The same way we have done about all the things. Okay. Now you are supposed to speak about what is the summary, what is the theme of the chapter. Who will speak? Start from the climax of the chapter. Okay. It will start from the Helmut. Who will speak? Shruti. Yes, beta. Tell us about the summary.
The chapter starts with the story of an 11-year-old boy whose name is Helmut, and he is not eating at his home for 9 years because his father was a follower of Nazi, and he overheard his father and mother talking about killing Ganser order families because he was a Nazi follower. And then
he was the Nazi's follower. Yeah, that point is very important. Okay. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. And then it is about that war of allies between the allies, First World War and Second World War, how it affected all the countries,
Yes.
including Germany.
First World War and the Second World War. Yes, they are the destruction basically. And two international organization was also based. That is not in the textbook, but we have to know about these all things. After First World War, there was the League of Nations was established, organized, so that in future there is a no war. But it was a failure only, because after the First World War, there was the Second World War. But after that Second World War, there is again international organization that is formed, United Nations of Organizations. Until now, we can say that it's a really successful organization, because till now we don't have any war. Suppose when any country is fighting, okay, in our country, if they are having the dispute, it is simply settled down in the court. Okay, district court है, high court है, and then supreme court है. Clear? Same way when you will talk about the countries if they are fighting, तब कौन solve करेगा? Okay, like 2 countries they are fighting, 3 countries they are fighting, then again we are having the International Court of Justice. Okay, that is the part of United Nations of Organization. So वो solve करते हैं सारी चीजों को, because it was based on the international peace. Okay, so when the countries they are fighting, these disputes are going to be settled by the United Nations of Organization, because they are one focus that in future there is no war in the world. कोई war हो ही ना future में. Okay, yes श्रुति बहुत अच्छे. Speak.
Yes, ma'am. And in Second World War, Germany had a genocide violence inside large mass killings were taken place. So many Jews, Gypsies, and disabled people were killed in centers with that gaseous factories and all.
Yes.
Then there is
Basically there is a genocide word, in that means they are separating some community, okay, and they are treating them as a racial discrimination against them. They are not giving the same equality as the citizen of the Germany they were enjoying. Okay. Yes.
Then there is birth of the Weimar Republic. Then there was one organization that was formed, and it occupied some land.
Why Weimar Republic was formed? Why Weimar Republic was formed?
To maintain peace between all of them.
Okay. See here, Weimar Republic is simply a governmental system. Are you getting me? It's only a governmental system. And so Weimar Republic is what? It is a governmental form. Okay. It is based on the democracy. It is based on the federal structure. Okay. Federalism. Okay. It is a form of national assembly. They are constituted, and that is called as the government of the Germany. Clear? This is the government of the Germany, Weimar Republic. Okay. National assembly known as the Weimar Republic. Yes, beta. Very good.
Then the Germany blamed the Weimar Republic for their loss in the war, and they also declared some 6 million what that
Yes.
Weimar
Compensation, yes.
Republic and
So here when we are talking about this compensation, we can simply use the word Treaty of Versailles. That is going to complete your full meaning about that paragraph. है ना? Because you already know Treaty of Versailles is something that is the compensation that was imposed. Yes, Ruchi, very good. Then
there are the effects of the war, how Germany, what was the effect of war in Germany. So ma'am, Germany was both financially and socially means they were so loose and because he thought that he and Nazi people thought that Jews are the people who killed Jesus and they treated them like untouchables.
yes,
Then ma'am, there is the destruction of democracy.
yes. So we already know about these all things, basic points. That should be very clear. Okay, today this one is we are going to end this chapter because all points we have discussed and the thing that you are supposed to do, go with the reading of the full text chapter. That is very important. Okay, you already know about the framework about the chapter. What is there in the chapter? What are the very important points regarding the chapter? Okay, the Weimar Republic we have gone through, and people were really not happy and satisfied with the. You already know the sign they have. The Weimar Republic they have signed the Treaty of Versailles. That's why people were not happy. Instead of they are enjoying all sort of freedom, equality, liberty, everything. Okay, but they are somewhere they are blaming the Weimar Republic. Why they have signed the treaty? Again, they are having the economic depression in the country all over the world. Okay, even the US economy was pulled on half, and all the other countries, European countries, they are dependent on the USA. They are not able to survive because all the loan and everything was. When people are pulling their shares from the share market, okay, it is totally fall down of the economy of the America. पूरा fall down हो गया था. And this is another reason people were not happy. है ना? They will not happy because they don't have the basic. They are everywhere. It is like poverty, unemployment. Okay, illiteracy was going on. Whole social structure was disturbed. How long people are going to accept? Okay, and this factor led to the rise of the Hitler. Because right now people they analyze. We really want some person as a leader who is really very strong. Okay, and this Hitler, he started his political career. Here, the Nazi party is having the two more names. Okay, foreigners' names are also there. Okay, Communist Worker Party was there. Okay, they all are the same party. Finally, it is known as the Nazis party. And the ideas, the ideology, the psychology behind this party is basically what? One person, one community, okay, one rule, and they are having the second policy that they believe in the war. Okay, they believe in the militarization. So the educational system of the small kids also, okay, those who are the 14 years, 17 years, 18 years, they are getting special military training. So that they are supposed to contribute for whom? For the war. Okay, and from there only they can extend the territory. And you already see that France and the Britain they have engaged with the war, and again they have started the war with the USSR. Okay, and that was the blunder mistake. And they have signed the Tripartite Pact also between three countries. Okay, Japan, Italy, and Germany. And just because of this pact only, Japan has supported the Germany, and just because of the Germany telling to the France that you are supposed to bombard on the US Pearl Harbor. Today I am going to show you the video about that also. In video so many things are in detail. Might be if you will take humanities, okay, as a after turn, you will read about it in detail. But till here we are having very little information. But in your video, it is very much explained. It is explaining very much briefly. That is not there in the textbook also. Okay, but it's a good video. You can understand more about the war. And you will see the video about that, okay, how they are putting the bomb. Okay, that is all there in the video. And second thing, after that what happened in return? Okay, the USA it is also not going to be the silent. Okay, and he also bombarded on the Hiroshima and Nagasaki. And till now the people are suffering from that problem. Okay, so this is all about chapter, and today we will go again. Today we will go through with the video. Okay.